In this video, I am going to show you how to download TikTok video ads from the TikTok Creative Center. To access the TikTok Creative Center, simply click on the URL link provided here. This will take you to the TikTok ad library, which is similar to Facebook's ad library. Here you can browse popular TikTok ads from various TikTok ad accounts or search for product names like watches to see luxury watch ads on TikTok. Once you have found a TikTok video ad you would like to download, click on See Analytics to view more information about the ad's performance, such as CTR, CVR, clicks, conversions, and retention rate. Once you have found a TikTok video ad, here is what you need to do. To download the TikTok video from the TikTok Creative Center, right-click on the page and select Inspect. This will open up the source page of the TikTok ad. Right-click again on the video ad and select Inspect again. This will take you to where the video is embedded on the page. Look for a link that starts with HTTP and is preceded by SRC and enclosed in double quotes. Double-click on the link to highlight it, right-click and select Copy. Open a new tab and paste the link into the browser address bar. Hit Enter to open the video in a new tab. Finally, right-click on the video and select Save Video As to download the TikTok video to your computer. Be sure to give the video file a name and save it in an easily accessible location. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.